Hi, it's Said, and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on Realme 11 Pro Plus. So first, it is completely normal for your phone to heat while you're charging it, especially while you're using the fast charging, but we can minimize that. So first, unlock your phone and close all the background apps. Then use original charger and a cable. Remove the case of your phone. As you can see, I have a case on my phone, so remove it for better airflow. Then charge in a cool and ventilated area and avoid using your phone while charging. Just leave it on the nightstand, let it charge properly, especially don't play games on it. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.